Good afternoon, third grade online learners. Looks like we are recording, I hope. And today is March 16th, 2021, science class with me, Mr. Monzo. We started a new topic this week, and we only have 2 journal entries. None today. Today we read from the book with some of my handy dandy volunteers. A little bit too excited to be here today. We are learning about physical properties, and a boy that's very excited about the sink. Okay, I think what they're trying to say is physical properties have many colors, shapes, and sizes, and that little boy and his mom decided to teach us that lesson with fruit. Okay, because it has many shapes, sizes, colors, dimensions. Um, let's hear the lesson. No journal entries today, just Wednesday and Thursday, quiz Friday. Only 2 points this week. And then the 9 weeks is over. We get our report cards and we have 9 weeks to go, and then it's summertime.
Wait, is it?
Okay. All right, so
Summer
first up
69.
is Jackson. Jackson, come on up from the Jackson cage. All right, hold your applause. All right, go ahead, Jackson.
To brush.
Brush.
To brush. 3 states of matter. What do you like to do in the kitchen? You might like to help with the cooking, or maybe you just like to eat. Whether you're cooking or eating, you're using matter. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Everything in this kitchen is matter. And even though you can't see it, the air in the kitchen is matter too. Matter is found in different states or forms.
Guys.
3 states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Heating or cooling can cause matter to change from one state to another. Look in this kitchen for matter in different states.
Okay, very good job, Jackson. Now, you guys, third grade, we had a little bit of fun in the beginning of the lesson, but we need to be serious for a little bit, okay? So what they're saying is in that kitchen, there's many different types of matter. There's different types of fruit, different colors, and that's what they're saying. The physical properties change from different types of matter, from a cantaloupe to a banana to an apple to an orange, different sizes, different shapes. Okay, next up is Jocelyn, and let's all stay serious. We don't even need to clap. We'll clap at the end. We got 4 more pages. Okay, go ahead, Jocelyn.
A solid is matter that has a definite shape and takes up definite amount of space. Ice is a solid. If you heat ice, it becomes a liquid. Water. A liquid. Water. A liquid takes the shape of its container and takes up a definite amount of space. If you heat water, it becomes water vapor. A gas. A gas has no definite shape and does not take up a definite amount of space. A gas will spread out to fill a large space, or it can be squeezed into a small space. All matter is made up of tiny particles. These particles are too small to be seen except with special tools that scientists use. The particles are always moving. These particles of matter are always moving. The state of matter is one physical property of matter. A physical property is a characteristic of matter that can be measured or observed with the senses of shape, size, color, texture, and temperature, or all some other physical properties. And that's all.
Okay, good job, Jocelyn. And next up we have Tyler. So Tyler, come on up, and we're going to continue our discussion of physical properties. All right, guys, I'm asking you really nicely to behave during this video. Okay, go ahead, Tyler.
Observing matter. Look for the melon in the grocery basket. What physical properties of the melon did you use to find it? You might have looked for its color and shape. Other physical properties you can observe are texture, temperature, physical properties of matter. Using your five senses, sight, touch, taste, and smell, and hearing, if you could pick up that melon and eat it, you might observe that it's smooth, crisp, sweet, and juicy.
Now that was good, and I appreciate the appropriate emotion he put forth with those words. I don't believe he's trying to be funny. I think he's reading with inflection and with his voice, his inner voice. Okay, next up is Mr. Goldberg. All right, here he comes. Two more pages, people. Oh boy.
Measuring matter. How do you describe how heavy a marble or a bowling ball is? You can use measuring device such as balance or a scale to find exact measurement. How heavy the marble or the bowling ball, it depends on its mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. A balance
Guys, seriously, if you can't be serious, I'll have to pick someone else.
A balance measures mass. Mass is given in units called grams. G. Mass is different from weight. Weight measures the pull of Earth's gravity. Of Earth's gravity on an object. Mass and weight are both physical properties of matter. The bowling ball and the marble have different masses. They also have different volumes. Volume is the amount of space that matter takes up. Look at the containers. The same volume of sand has been put into each container. No matter what the container shape, the sand takes up the same amount of space in each one. Volume is also a physical property. The volume of a solid is often measured in cubic centimeters. Liquid volume is often measured in liters.
All right, very good job. And last but not least, we have Levi Hudak. So Levi, come on up.
Can I use the red chair?
Yes. Guys, you realize we're still making a video, right? So you really need to be quiet in between readers. Okay, go ahead, Levi.
Wait, this looks like Walter when he's swimming.
It does look like him. All right, keep it going.
Which would you choose to wear in the rain? A raincoat or wool sweater? You would probably choose a raincoat because you know raincoats are waterproof. You chose one material over another because of its properties. The properties of different kinds of matter make them useful for different purposes. You wouldn't cook food on a stove in a plastic pan. A metal pan heats food without melting. Being magnetic is a useful property of some metals. Some kinds of matter allow electric to pass through them easily. Glass is a kind of matter that allows light to pass through it.
All right, very good job to all my readers today. That is the last page, correct, guys?
Yes.
All right. So we will continue this discussion about physical properties throughout the week. Your websites will help you enhance the material and learn a little bit more and get ready for the quiz. So enjoy this short week, only 2 journal entries, and we will see you again soon. Bye-bye, online learners.